See you again.
Where you want to go sit? You want to sit on the bench? Sit. I'll sit. Are you standing or sitting?
Or you grab these.
Grab the lunch.
So you a strong guy? You strong?
Do you want?
I'm not holding on. I think it's me to swim it around. And when we land, I'll be on top.
Delivery select bump as the car starts and stops moving, so please make use of the handrails. Keep in mind the last car tonight is at 11:55 p.m., weather permitting.
Is it dog friendly? I guess so. It's their dog friendly.
And a coat. And a coat.
Why do we have to hold on?
How come we got quiet when we started moving?
I thought it was very good view. Hopefully it's gonna stay kind of like this.
Yeah, not all these people.
Oh, that's cool, huh? But it's like this one, we got that.
We got pictures from the hotel room last night. Stayed right there. But we had to get see the open.
Was the mist blocking the view, or was it not that?
Last night, there was colors on the wall, so we're gonna. Yeah, so.
That'd be cool.
I got to quit, dude, shit.
Yeah, we're gonna. No pressure.
Alright, I got you.
Oh, wow, beautiful. I thought it was like a.
Thanks for the little clump.
What?
Yeah, don't miss them tonight.